So now we move on to the different types of advertisements that are available on the Amazon advertising platform. So you have sponsored product ads, sponsored brand ads, and sponsored display ads. Now what do these mean? So these cater to different audience types and different stages of your marketing funnel, basically, right? So if you're looking at increasing your awareness of the brand, you would typically run a sponsored display campaign or a brand campaign. Similarly, if you're trying to garner more interest towards new products that you're launching, you would probably decide to have a sponsored video campaign that is running to describe and to showcase your product through a visual medium. Similarly, when you're looking at a consideration, evaluation, and a purchase stage of buyers, you would more focus on sponsored product campaigns which are specifically targeting.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.